Want to fix NFL Sunday Ticket not showing all games? First, you want to make sure that your app is up to date. For that, launch Open Play Store on your Android device. If you're using iPhone, open App Store. Now search NFL Sunday Ticket. Here, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Outdated apps can hide or block game listing. If games are still missing, you want to check your subscription plan. Some packages only include out-of-market games, while local broadcasts may be shown on CBS, Fox, or NBC instead of Sunday Ticket. Switch to your local channel lineup or YouTube TV to watch those games. Next, confirm your location settings. For that, you want to open up your settings. Then scroll down and tap on Apps. From this list, select Sunday Ticket. Then you want to tap on the option of Permissions. Now select Location and tap on the option of Allow. If you're using iPhone, make sure Location Services is turned on. If the issue continues, refresh the app by logging out and back in. Or you can also uninstall the app and reinstall it again. On streaming devices or smart TVs, restart the system to reload the game list. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.